Good morning, y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing the viral Tini mac and cheese. So you're gonna see how that came out. Stay tuned. Little body update. Hey guys, we're back with another video, and in this one we're doing the viral Tini mac and cheese. As you can see, I'm showing you what I'm starting to do. I'm making my roux with all my seasonings. The recipe will be below. I will say that this recipe was a little bit challenging. I did run into a little bit of a hiccup. As you can see here, I added a bit too much flour. It was giving very much, what are we doing, sis? That's not gonna give. So I added some more butter, and it did bring it back to life. Thank you, Jesus. Another thing that I added to this was soy sauce. I found that on a recipe that I found on Instagram. So I kind of like merged two recipes, the teeny viral one and another girl's video as well. She also added Worcestershire sauce to hers, but I didn't do that. It didn't need that. It very much, it still gave. Look at it. Look at, oh my God. Oh my God, look at my cheese sauce, y'all. Like, look at my cheese sauce. Ooh, it's just giving. Like, then I added the mac to the bowl. Oh my God. Like, I just knew at this point, I knew this was going to be great. So after this masterpiece, like, I just really need y'all to see how seasoned, how amazing that roux came together. Then we layered it. So I put the first layer, and then I added cheese. I don't know what was up with my cheese and my cheese grater, but it wasn't giving shredded. It was giving very much crumbled. I don't know what was going on, but it still worked. Then we put the second layer on. Oh my God. At this point, I just wanted to eat it now, but I knew we had to bring it together. And there she is. Just looking, just looking glazed to the gods. Now we had to do the little dig in for y'all. We had to do the dig in so that you could just see this amazingness. I'm not gonna lie to you. This mac and cheese told my mac and cheese to square up, squabble up, fight me. You know how at the end of that Lotto song where he's like, do you want to fight? Do you want to fight? Okay, then. Yeah, that's what this mac and cheese said to my mac and cheese. I was very threatened, scared for my life. Look at that. Like, oh my God. Why was I not making mac and cheese like this the whole entire time? Tini, thank you. Amazing. And shout out to the girl on Instagram. I really need to figure out who you are. I think I'm going to make sure that I add you. But here I am tasting it, y'all. Stop. This is the one. As you can see, I was very much in love. Like, look at the cheese. Like, look. Every time I ate a bite, my eyes did this little roll thing. It wasn't on purpose. They was just doing their own thing. Oh my God. So amazing. Like, I almost cried. Every bite was just like delirious. I was in heaven. Cheese heaven, baby. It ain't getting no better. Like, whoo! Oh my God. Mac and cheese is so lackluster as salt, you know? This shit? It's kind of like Tini's because I layered it and I made a roux cheese sauce. Hey, because this bitch seasoned the fuck out of hers, the video that I got. And she added soy sauce to it. So I'm like, okay, let me just do what she doing. Thank you, Tini, and other girl that I found on Instagram's recipe. Oh, and not to mention, I made this amazing glazed seasoned turkey. Amazing. It came out very, very demure, very rosemary forward, thyme forward, just aromatic, very colorful, very just juicy. Like, it just really gave. Like, I literally cooked all of this stuff within 2 hours, and I started at like 7:30 at night. Like, I just humbug, just wanted to make some food because I didn't cook for Christmas. And this is how it came. This is how it was blessing me. Yes. So I'm going to make some mashed potatoes, and yeah, we're going to pull it together. But this is my method. I did this method for Thanksgiving. I injected the turkey before it goes in, and I inject the turkey as it's going in the oven. I do it probably 2 times. Depending on the size, I might do 3 rounds of injection. But baby, let's see the final results. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I love you guys. Like, subscribe. Mwah.